Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Potensic Elfin. Right there is the box. But what's in the box is laying on the side over here. The box is now empty. And when you open the box, that's what you get right there. This beautiful case, which is really sweet. And it even has a little handle on it right there. And you open it up, and voila, there's the product. Right there. Here's the quad. It folds out like this. Set that down for a sec. Here's the transmitter. Nice. Has a nice feel to it. And then up in the top up here is your bag of stuff. And we all know what the stuff is. The stuff is the props, the batteries, and all that stuff. Here's the manual. The manual's laid out real good. Now, there is no app for... No, I'm not saying there's no app. There's no QR code. But right as you open the manual up, it tells you right there. You just go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and type in Potensic Toy. And you'll get the app will come up. It'll be right at the top. It'll be the first one. The manual's laid out really nice. Should not have any problems getting this thing going. Let me just show you what's in the bag here. You got the prop guards. We're going to put them on the side for now. You got your battery charger. Now it's one of those needle chargers right there. See it? And it goes into the battery right there. They have a little thing there for you. Right there. CHA means charger. Goes right in there. Charges up. It's red. And when it's done, it'll be green. The light in here will turn green when the battery's charged. And they give you 2 batteries with it. And they are... Let me get my eyes focused on it. They're 1 cells. 3.7 1100s. I'm going to turn it there so you can see it. Right there. It's focusing. It's getting there. Okay, 3.7 1100s. So you get 2 of those. Spare props. The little screwdriver. And they give you a set of batteries for the transmitter, which is pretty cool. I put my own in there, but they give you these right here. These Golden Power. I've seen these a lot. That brand. So they're decent batteries. So anyway, here's the transmitter here. And it's got your normal stuff on there. You got your headless mode, your rates, your photo, video. Here's your trims here. I think just your takeoff and landing. There's your emergency stop, and there's your power. I'm not sure exactly what that thing does, but I'll figure it out in a minute. There's where you put your phone. Here's the quadcopter itself. Here's where the battery goes, right in here. It snaps right in. There it is spinning around. There's the camera, which seems like it points down a little bit, but it's not movable to... Oh, yes, it is, actually. It is movable. You see that's pointed down now? I'm going to slide it up. I'm going to put it up as high as it'll go. It says HD camera right there. See it? HD camera. Okay. On the bottom you got your optical flow sensor right there. And that's about it as far as that goes. Here's your QC code or your QC pass. So it passed. Let's weigh it up real quick. With the battery, it's only 95.8. Yeah, with the battery, so you're all good with that. No problem. Let's turn it on and fire up that app and bind that up so you can see what that looks like. To turn it on, you press the little light in the back right here. You hold that in, and it'll turn on. That binds that up. Oh, there it is. It's on that button. That's what that button was, and I didn't know what that did. So let's fire up the app. So the Wi-Fi name on here is going to be called Potensic P6. See it right there? Right there. Then we're going to go down here to Potensic Toy right there. And it says go to connect. And there it is, connected. Let me shoot those flowers like I always do. Yep. There's a little bit of lag in there, but you know, it's a toy. They all do that. They all lag. And let's take a look at this app real quick. There's your media setting. So that's where your files are going to be when you download the files to the app. You're going to have to go in there and transfer them back to the phone library. So we're back in there. Yeah, it doesn't look too complicated, trust me. This app looks very simple. Very simple. Okay, I got a better idea. Let's go fly it and see how it flies, because you know what? That's what really counts. We're up here to fly the Potensic. There it is. Right there. So let's take off, because it's raining, so I had to bring it up here to the pool, because that's what we do. Let's start the video up. Video is recording. We do the level calibration again. Okay, so that looks good. Let's take off. It's raining out, so I had to bring it up here. This thing doesn't do any flips that I know of. Very sporty, that's for sure. Oh, you see how it's wandering off to the side there, even though I did the level calibration. Watch, see it? Going by itself over there? I'm gonna have to trim it up. Now I did the level calibration on a completely level surface. There it goes. Okay. Let's turn the rate down to 2. Maybe 2 is what we need for something like this. Yeah, 2's good enough for in here. No doubt. Oh, it flies really nice. Oh yeah. Flies really good, which is very important. Okay. Okay, let me hold it still here so we can get some video. We can see how clear it is and with the jello and, you know, all that good stuff. So it's holding pretty steady. It's drifting only a little bit, so. Yep. Let's bring it over here closer to me. Yeah, the camera does point down, which is a little unfortunate. So I got to go up in the air here to get it to see me. But, you know, at least it flies good, right? So if the video looks good and it flies good, that's what we're looking for. There's the stop button. I don't want that. Okay, so we're 3 minutes in. I'll put that little clock in there. People like when I put that little clock in there for some reason. Let me see what... No, there is no flips from what I can tell. It does have this little thing like you could draw on the screen or something. So I'm just not, it doesn't seem to do anything when I do it. Well, it flies good. That's all that matters to me. I'm definitely going to get this thing out for another flight, an outside flight. Because it flies so good in here that I'd like to see what the range is on it. I'll probably take it up to that office plaza for the next flight. If it's not raining tomorrow or this afternoon, maybe I'll do that. But it's very stable. I mean, granted, there's no wind or any adverse conditions in here. But as far as the steering and the handling, it's really good, so. Yeah, this is a nice flyer here. No doubt. Oh. Don't be crashing now. I hit that thing over there, but I saved it. That got a little bit too close to the thing there. Now it seems like the stick is not responding. Okay, so something's going on with the handling now. Hold on, I'm trying to reel it back in here. Because it's not responding to the stick movements at all. I'm going to try to land it real quick. Okay, so it started to not respond to me pitching off to the right for some reason. So I'm going to put it down and do another level calibration on it. Then we'll take off again. Now, for whatever reason it did that, I don't know. See, there it goes. That was kind of weird. It just stopped responding like that. So now if that happens, do what I did. Land it. Redo the level calibration. That's your best bet. Now I wonder if there's going to be any kind of low battery warning on this thing, because the video has been going for 6+ minutes already. So now this thing has motors in it, just like they look like the same ones as like the Mambo and the Tello and stuff like that. Now you see how the Optical Flow worked on it. It's picking up. It actually is working. As you'll notice when I put my hand under here, you see how it moves the quadcopter around because it's thinking it's getting too close to the ground or whatever. So it's actually doing something. Where the Xeno, when you do that, it does nothing. Okay. There's the red light for the battery warning, so we're just gonna sit here. I'm gonna cut the video. So that's that. So we know the battery is going into the LBC warning. So the flight time on here is going to be around 7.5 minutes, I would gather. Something of that nature. Alright, I don't want to ruin the battery. It's telling me to land, so I'm going to land. Alright, there you go. Potensic Elfin. Flew great. Let's see how the video looks, right? Alright guys, have a nice day.